Hello there! I'm sure that you've always wondered how to learn languages quickly and effectively. Today I'll tell you. You can do it just in a jiffy. What you'll need is a language additive or language additives, just like the ones I have here. And where do we get this miraculous additive from? Well, don't worry, stay until the end and I'll tell you. I have a special PDF guide that will fast forward in language learning. So, let's get started. What do we need? First of all, super effective language additives that work instantly within a few seconds. I have a set of 20 here, and we have English, German, Russian, Turkish, Swedish, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Esperanto, and then Swahili, Arabic, Hebrew, Hindi, Thai and Hindi, Greek, Malaysian, Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. What else? Some food coloring. I have yellow one here. Special activator that will activate our mixture. Then a pill supplement that will make pills out of our mixture. 2 graduated cylinders, 2 of those here. A special spatula for powdered book that we'll add. You'll see how to do it in a second. A dropper and a book that's for a language that you're learning currently. I have chosen Turkish. This is a Polish-Turkish dictionary. And then we take this dictionary and we put it into a blender with a turbo function. So it has to be really quick, really fast. Just press. And within a few seconds, out of our book, we have a very nice powder that we can add to our mixture. There we go. Here's the powder. And we take a bit of those on a spoon on a plate, and when everything is ready, we can start mixing and preparing our mixture. So, because I've taken a Turkish book, we are choosing Turkish additive. We add a few drops of those to a graduated cylinder. Then a few drops of food coloring, yellow food coloring, a few drops of that as well. A little bit of our pill additive, because we wouldn't like to drink it. It's best when there are pills, and it will make pills. A little bit of our powdered book. And of course, we need also an activator that will activate and blend in thoroughly our mixture, and a few drops of that as well. And we mix it. We need to shake it, mix it, and once again mix it, and we have our tablets and pills ready to go and to see whether they work and can we speak Turkish thanks to them. Okay, so I already have the magic formula. I'm gonna have to eat it. And we'll see whether it works or not. Allah Allah ya, ben Türkçe konuşuyorum. Gerçekten yaptın. Gerçekten çalışıyor. Harım. Okay, let's get going. Do you think it really works? Well, I've prepared several other videos in which I speak different languages, so that people that don't speak English or Polish can also know how to prepare this miraculous thing. So it's in German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese. I promised you that I'll tell you everything about where to get it. Where can you buy it? Well, you can't buy it because it's April Fool's Day today and I fooled you, okay? But what was the reason for me doing that? Sometimes we seem to believe in things that aren't real and can't be real, like learn a language in 2 weeks or lose 40 pounds in a day, okay? It's not going to happen. Miracles don't happen, okay? So, if you want to have results, you need to learn. But I won't leave you barehanded. I have something for you. Not
this because I made it. But I have something else, something better. How to find time for language learning. It doesn't really matter when you are watching this movie, whether it's before, well, it can't be before, whether it's during or after the coronavirus. I've prepared this PDF guide before coronavirus, and it is valid for absolutely everyone. Doesn't matter the circumstances. You can learn a foreign language, and you can find time to learn a foreign language. We always say, oh my God, I don't have time to do this, I don't have time to do that. Well, now is the perfect time. If you sit at home and you have remote work, or you have to sit at home because your work cannot be done remotely, like a lot of hotel personnel or people that work at the restaurant. But the first step to successful language learning is to find time. So click that link below, download your free PDF guide, and then you find a way to establish when you have time to learn foreign languages. I really hope that you make use of it, and we will see each other next time, very, very soon, in the next video, in which I explain what to do next. So see you real soon. Bye bye.